In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Apple ID is not active error. If you're seeing that message on your iPhone, don't worry. In most cases, it's a temporary glitch with the device session rather than a problem with your account. The quickest, safest way to clear it is to do a full system refresh using the built-in controls in settings. This doesn't erase any data, apps or photos, and it won't sign you out of anything. It simply reloads the core services that talk to Apple's servers. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Look for the grey gears icon on your home screen or in your app library. Once Settings is open, you'll be working entirely within the system options that come with iOS. Next, go to General. This section contains the foundational controls for your device, things like software updates, storage, and shutdown, so it's exactly where we need to be. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of the general page. The list can be long, so keep swiping until you reach the last options. Choose Shutdown. You'll see a slide to power off control appear at the top of the screen. Slide it to turn the iPhone completely off. Give it a brief pause, about 30 seconds, to let all background processes stop. Then turn the device back on by pressing and holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. When it finishes booting, the system has been freshly initialized and the Apple ID services on the phone have been reloaded from scratch. This simple refresh clears temporary cache, resets secure system daemons that handle Apple ID authentication, and re-establishes a clean connection to Apple's servers. That's why it frequently makes the Apple ID is not active message disappear without any further troubleshooting. If you prefer a quicker route, you can also perform a force restart instead of using the menu. The exact button combination varies by iPhone model, so use the sequence designed for your device. Be careful not to trigger emergency SOS, and only use a force restart if you already know the correct keys for your model. After the phone is back on, you should find that Apple ID prompts behave normally again because the device has refreshed its trust with Apple's services during startup. And that's it. By using the shutdown option in settings, you've done a clean system refresh, the safest first step for clearing this error.